Looking for a very simple and delicious potato recipe? I've got you covered, because today I am going to be showing you a very easy roast potato recipe that you're going to absolutely love. So the first step is to peel and wash your potatoes until clean. On my stove top, I've placed a pot with cold water. I'm going to add in my potatoes. Boiling the potatoes in cold water is going to help the potatoes cook evenly, and you're going to have an awesome potato. I'm going to check on my potatoes and they're ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat, scoop out my potatoes. As you can see, this is the texture of my potatoes. The edges of the potatoes are a bit crumbly. Transfer the potatoes to my pan. Shake the potatoes a little bit. You can as well drain the water from the pot. I've just chosen to use a slotted spoon to drain out the water. I'm going to continue flipping and toasting the potatoes until the edges are nice and crisp. In my house, I always have potatoes because I love potatoes. That is the first thing. And I love making potato recipes. So this recipe is worth trying and it's worth your time. Trust me. So as the potatoes cook, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of salt, just a touch of salt, because I've already added salt while boiling. You want the potatoes to be well seasoned. My potatoes are starting to have that nice crisp. So at this point, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of spice. So I'm going to add some garlic powder, just a touch of the spices, not too much. Some paprika and black pepper. Toss around. I love the way the potatoes have turned out. The outside is crispy and the inside is so delicious and soft. I'm going to be serving my potatoes with some ketchup and some yellow mustard. So why not try this amazing potato recipe at home, and trust me, you're going to absolutely love the potato recipe. Catch you on my next video. Bye.